Ever wondered what you can create with Python? The possibilities are limitless. Python, with its clean and easy-to-understand syntax, is a versatile programming language that can be used to build a vast array of applications. Whether you're interested in developing a simple game or creating a complex algorithm, Python has got you covered. It's a great foundation for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of programming. Today, we dive into 3 exciting Python projects that you can try your hands on. Remember the classic game rock, paper, scissors? Ever thought you could code it? Well, let's dive into a Python project that does just that. The rock, paper, scissors Python project is an excellent way to put your Python skills to work and create a simple, yet entertaining command line game. This project involves using a couple of fundamental Python functions. The random choice function, for instance, allows the computer to make its own move in the game. User input, on the other hand, lets you, the player, decide your move. The project also proves invaluable in understanding basic Python concepts. You'll see conditionals in action as the game determines the winner based on the rules of rock, paper, scissors. Loops also come into play, keeping the game going until you decide to quit. This project is a perfect starting point for beginners to learn Python while having fun. If you love word games, then the Hangman Python project will intrigue you. This project is a digital spin on the classic pen and paper game, where you guess letters to reveal a hidden word. But this isn't just about fun and games, it's an opportunity to dive into some key Python concepts. In the Hangman Python project, you'll be using lists to keep track of the letters guessed and the parts of the hangman drawn. You'll also learn how to manipulate strings, replacing hidden letters with the correct guesses. But the real magic lies in the control flow, using if-else statements, while loops, and functions to control the game's progression. The beauty of this project is how it ties together different Python basics into a cohesive, fun, and engaging game. It enhances your problem-solving skills, as you'll be strategizing on how to efficiently use these concepts to create an interactive experience. This project is not just fun, but it also sharpens your Python skills. In a world where data security is paramount, creating a strong password is crucial, and Python can help you with that. The Password Generator project is a perfect example. This project is designed to generate a random, secure password for users, taking advantage of Python's powerful libraries like random and string. The random library, as the name suggests, allows you to generate random numbers. The string library, on the other hand, provides a range of tools to manipulate strings. Together, these libraries can be used to create a password of any length, composed of a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. But the Password Generator project is not just about creating a password. It's a practical way to understand the usage of Python libraries and their potential. It's an opportunity to delve deeper into Python and explore its versatility. With this project, you can create strong passwords and also learn more about Python libraries. So, Python can indeed transform your ideas into reality. Today, we've explored just a few examples, like the rock, paper, scissors game, the classic hangman, and a practical password generator. Each of these projects showcases Python's versatility and practicality. This versatile language can bring your creative ideas to life, solve problems, and make your life easier. So what are you waiting for? Start coding, start creating, and let Python be your guide in this journey.